Hello all. Today we'll be making Sabudana Vada. 2 cups Sabudana kept in water. Boiled potatoes 2. 2 green chilies. Half cup peanuts grinded. Jeera and salt along with other ingredients mixed properly. Give them a disc shape. Take oil in a kadai. Place the vada once the oil is heated. We will be deep frying it. You can also shallow fry it in a pan. Flip it over once the one side has the golden texture. Deep fry it well. The Sabudana Vada is very good. Do let us know if you like this video, comment and do share. And if you're new to this channel, then hit the red button that is subscribe. Thank you.